Yesterday, I received several vices from the Forward Vice Company for review. The first one I'm going to do today is a clamp-on vise. It's a 3-inch vise. Now I'm going to zoom up and show everyone the features on this and just how sturdy it is. As everyone can see, this is a handy little vise. It does not weigh but 3.7 pounds. And before we do anything with it, I'm going to show everyone what I recommend on any vise. Before you use it, put a few drops of oil on it. Your threads will turn smooth. Made a big difference. Now I'm going to do the same thing here. I believe that's tight now. I'm going to open these vice jaws up. And I'm going to show everyone how sturdy this vise is. I'm going to take my little rags so I don't scratch up my kettlebell, and I'm going to show you just how sturdy it is with a 5-pound kettlebell, just as an example. And this has pipe vice in it, something the other one had, but I failed to mention. A little tighter down here. I believe everyone can see this is sturdy, and this is 5 pounds. Actually, I wanted to show everyone something else too. This is a 25-pound kettlebell. Vice holds it with no problem at all. Now we'll have a few final words. Now I believe, as everyone can see, this is a very sturdy vise. Now you can see the threads turn much better than they did to begin with. Lubrication is the key. Now I will believe everyone will agree now, this is a handy vise. Go over a website, they have a bunch of vices. Like I say, I've got a couple more we're going to review besides this one. Go to the Facebook page, like it, like the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page, share with all your friends, hit the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, and we'll keep growing. Till next time.